Are you tired of missing important calls? Or worse, having your callers greeted by a generic, unhelpful voicemail message? Do you want to project a professional image, even when you can't pick up the phone? If you're a RingCentral user, you're in luck. Your voicemail is a powerful, yet often underutilized tool that can significantly enhance your business communication. It's more than just a fallback. It's an extension of your brand, a virtual receptionist, and a crucial touchpoint for your clients and colleagues. Think about it. Every missed call is an opportunity lost if your voicemail isn't doing its job. A well-crafted voicemail can provide essential information, direct callers to alternative resources, and even capture leads. A poorly set up one, on the other hand, can leave callers frustrated and your business looking less than professional. In today's fast-paced world, where first impressions are everything, you can't afford to overlook the details of your communication channels. Many people tend to just stick with the default voicemail greeting, assuming it's good enough. But good enough rarely cuts it when it comes to business. Imagine a potential client calling you, only to be met with a robotic voice telling them to leave a message. Now, imagine they call another business and hear a friendly, informative greeting that directs them to a website or provides an alternative contact number. Which business do you think they're more likely to engage with? The answer is obvious. Your voicemail isn't just about collecting messages. It's about managing expectations, providing solutions, and maintaining a consistent brand experience. So, how do you transform your RingCentral voicemail from a mere answering machine into a powerful business asset? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to set up and customize your RingCentral voicemail to ensure you're making the best impression possible every single time. We'll cover everything from accessing your voicemail settings to recording a personalized greeting, and even explore some advanced tips to optimize your voicemail experience. Whether you're a new RingCentral user or just looking to refresh your existing setup, this guide is for you. Let's make your voicemail work for you, not against you. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of setting up your RingCentral voicemail. The first step is to log in to your RingCentral online account. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. Depending on your account type and permissions, you might see My Extension or Admin Portal. For individual voicemail setup, you'll typically be looking for My Extension or directly under Settings within your personal profile. Once you're in your personal settings, look for the Call Handling and Forwarding or Messages tab. This is where RingCentral centralizes all your call management options, including voicemail. Click on that and you'll see a range of options related to how your calls are handled and, importantly, how your voicemail is configured. Now, let's talk about the greeting itself. RingCentral gives you a few options here. You can choose from a pre-recorded system greeting, which, let's be honest, we want to move beyond. You can upload an audio file, which is a great option if you've had a professional voiceover done. Or, and this is what we highly recommend for personalization and ease, you can record your own custom greeting directly through RingCentral. To record your own greeting, select the Custom Greeting option. You'll typically be presented with an option to record via your computer microphone or by calling a specific number from your RingCentral phone. If you're using your computer, make sure your microphone is working correctly and the environment is quiet. You want to avoid background noise at all costs. Nothing screams unprofessional like a barking dog or a crying baby in your voicemail greeting. Before you hit record, take a moment to script out what you want to say. A good voicemail greeting should include, first, your name and your company name. Be clear and concise. Second, a polite apology for missing the call. Third, confirmation that you will return their call. Fourth, a clear call to action. This is crucial. Do you want them to leave a message? Do you want them to visit your website? Do you want them to email you? Be specific. Finally, a professional closing. For example, a good script might sound something like this. Hello? You've reached your name at your company name. I'm currently unavailable to take your call. Please leave your name, phone number, and a brief message after the tone, and I'll return your call as soon as possible. For immediate assistance, please visit our website at your website address. Thank you for calling. Practice your greeting a few times before recording. Speak clearly, at a moderate pace, and project a friendly, professional tone. Once you're satisfied with your practice, hit the record button. RingCentral will usually give you a chance to listen to your recording. If you're happy with it, save it. If not, re-record until you get it right. Don't be afraid to do a few takes. This is your professional voice after all. Beyond the greeting, RingCentral also offers other important voicemail settings. You can choose how you want to be notified of new voicemails. Do you want an email notification with an audio attachment? A text message? Both? Configure these settings to ensure you're alerted promptly to new messages so you can follow up quickly. Timeliness is key in business communication. Another valuable feature is voicemail transcription. RingCentral can transcribe your voicemails into text, which can be incredibly useful for quickly scanning messages without having to listen to each one. This can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you receive a high volume of calls. Check if this feature is enabled for your account and consider turning it on if it isn't. It's a game changer for productivity. You can also set up customized voicemail greetings for different scenarios, such as after hours or during holidays. This allows you to provide even more specific information to your callers when you're not available, further enhancing their experience and demonstrating your attention to detail. Explore the advanced settings or rules sections within your call handling to see if these options are available to you. Finally, remember to regularly review your voicemail settings and greeting. Your business evolves, and so should your voicemail. Update your greeting for special announcements, promotions, or changes in your availability. A current and relevant voicemail message shows that you're attentive and professional. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.